That was this one right there. You can draw yourself a diagram, or you can do what I just did and just put all the bolts you take out straight to the new water pump. That also works. No harm, no foul. There's just different ways of doing it. Hold on, but am I recording? I hope I am. Yep, I'm recording. Okay. Okay, so that one is going to be compare them. Oh, I actually think I just took out the wrong bolt. I think I did. It's all right. We'll keep it right there for now, just in case. But I think I'm supposed to be going after these here. Yeah, I definitely took out the wrong one, but that's okay. So, 13's here. Okay. Boom. And boom. And we got the end of the egg. That's my egg. Then we got another one right here next to the temp sensor. All right, so if you're counting, that's 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. That's the long one. Okay. So should have one more just right below the tensioner here, or not the tensioner, the pulley. Jeez. And here it is. Okay. Now we're out. Okay, there's that. Now, gotta work on these hoses. Just gonna let that drain out. If anything, we'll just let it stay there. Then you have this whole face, right? This whole face, that's where your water pump sits. And you do want to make sure that you clean up that face. Once I get this hose off, we're gonna be cleaning that up, throwing everything back together. So. Trying to just use the weight against the hose. Oh, fuck. This one's really on there for some reason. Ew. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to take the hose off from the radiator and pull it off. I just can't get it with my hand right now. It's bleeding. So, oh. It is bleeding. I'm working through it. Just hurts a lot. So this tool is really handy, made specifically for hose clamps. And oh, fuck, anything I do with this finger right now, and it's on my thumb. So beautiful. So I like to go one more in, try to get it one more in. Okay. There we go. Now this is maxed out. Okay, cool. Now we got that off. We can squeeze this back. There we go. Boom. released. Quick drink. Okay, so here we are. And before we try to get that off, I'm going to try to get this off, which maybe, I don't know. Okay. $19 mil. That's what I just put on there. So we will transfer that, and now